Welcome to the Auto Vibe Garage, introducing the 2025 BMW M8 Competition, a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The M8's design exudes power and elegance. Its streamlined silhouette, complemented by side air breathers and a sloping hood, enhances aerodynamics, ensuring optimal performance at any speed. Step inside, and you're greeted by an atmosphere of refined luxury. Standard M Sport seats, draped in Merino Leather, provide unparalleled comfort, while ambient lighting sets the mood for every journey. At its heart lies a formidable 4.4-liter BMW M TwinPower turbo V8 engine, delivering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse propels the M8 from 0 to 60 ppm in a mere 3.0 seconds, offering an adrenaline-fueled experience with every drive. Stay connected with the intuitive BMW Operating System 7, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto TM, the M Digital Instrument Cluster, and performance-oriented head-up display keep essential information within your line of sight, ensuring focus on the road ahead. Safety is paramount. The M8 comes standard with active driving assistant, including frontal collision warning, with city collision mitigation and lane departure warning, providing peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 BMW M8 Competition is more than a car. It's a statement, a testament to BMW's commitment to excellence in performance, design, and luxury. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.